Whatever Bunoria is, we rocking with Bunoria. But if the world was ended, why would you want to put the fire out in general? He put up with the strap. Hold on. What's good, YouTube? It's your boy DLO, all caps, aka Cozyboy, and I'm back with another video. How you guys doing? Not so good? Well, I know it's better now since you're watching the video, but how's your day besides all that? Good, amazing, great? That's good to hear. I missed you guys first. It's been a minute. And we haven't uploaded K-pop in a long time, in my opinion. A couple days is a long time for me. Listen, if this video right here gets 5,000 likes, all of March I'm double uploading. On my mother's life. On my mother's life. With that being said, in today's video, we're reacting to ATEEZ, I'm the One. Why are y'all looking at me like that? I'm sorry, it's been a minute since I recorded some K-pop. Okay, my fault. Well, with that being said, Cozy Crew, let's get straight into the video. Yo, can we just admire the drip real quick? You see the outfits, 10 out of 10 outfits right here. That's what I'm talking about. They're already giving me a good impression. Already giving me the good impression. Like I said, Cozy Crew, I need y'all to do me a huge favor. Please give me a huge favor. Y'all see the dude's skin, y'all see all their skin. I'm gonna need some of that skin routine, no bull. Just being honest. Okay. Whoa. Damn, why is he going crazy right now? 1, 2, 3, 4. And it's my first time listening to it. I already just knew when the bass drop was gonna hit though. Yo, they going crazy right now. Oh my god. They going crazy. They going crazy. Yo, like, do y'all just see the transition right there? How you go from in the building to a train to the train to the outside world? Man, I'm gonna need one of them cars right there. If there's any zombie apocalypse, that car I'm gonna need right there. Look at all those drunk fools. Cozy Crew, we don't drink. Simple. What type of material? What is that? That's some wool? I'm gonna need that jacket right there. Simple. So does alright, Cozy Crew, I got a question. Do all like K-pop groups, K-pop groups have that one guy with the deep voice? Cause you seen that guy right there. Hold on, let me play it real quick. Is he the one with the deep voice too? Like every K-pop group has the one guy with the deep voice. What does Bunoria mean? If I'm saying it wrong, I apologize, Cozy Crew, but y'all need to help me out because they keep saying it and I feel like it got a lit meaning and I don't know what it means. Y'all gotta put in the comment section right now what Bunoria means. Yeah. They just said put the fire out like the world was ending. But if the world was ending, why would you want to put the fire out in general? Whatever Bonoria is, we rocking with Bonoria. Because they seem lit. Cozy Crew, we gonna be lit too with it. Notice how all 7 of them, I think 7 or 5, I forgot, walked in the beginning of the video to the tree. Now they're burning the tree. I'm kind of confused right now. Oh, and he wearing the red shirt. And his hair kind of dyed reddish pink. Fire. Literally fire. Yo, what if that... Yo, Cozy Crew, think about it real quick. Like, real quick, just think about it. Like, you see the background, right? It looks like a barren wasteland. +2 for the vocabulary. But yeah, they like in a barren wasteland, right? I swear to God, they be going to the future. There's no way impossible. I said no way impossible. No way possible. My apologies. -2 for the vocabulary. But yeah, I feel like they be going to the future. Oh, and the name of the song is I'm the One. What if everybody said I'm the one? Doesn't that mean we all are the one? Just something to think about. Oh, now they all rocking red. Man, he got a lip pick. Man, I know that lip piercing hurt. He put up with the strap. Hold on. I never knew K-pop was like, ATEEZ, you different. My fault. You put up with the strap. Jesus. He said you ain't never catching me lacking. My fault. My fault. It ain't a good music video if there ain't no fireworks. Simple. It's already over? Nah, there's still 14 seconds. Hold on. Yeah, we gonna end it right there, Cozy Crew. I'm not gonna lie, the little mask kind of freaked me out. ATEEZ, you get in the 10 out of 10. No bias, nothing. This song was fire. Actually, no, you get in the 9.5 because that mask got me f***ed up. Simple. But it's cool though. With that being said, Cozy Crew, if y'all want more ATEEZ, smash that like button, comment down below. And it's your boy DLO, all caps, aka Cozy Crew DLO, man. And if y'all haven't subscribed to the channel, what are y'all doing? I got 40, damn near 50K family members in the channel. So we're up and we out. ATEEZ, I'm the one. I'm the one.